Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control board in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 4 screws securing the upper rear access panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the control board to fully release the panel. Next, disconnect the ribbon connector from the board. Note the orientation of the wire connectors connected to the control board, then disconnect them. Unthread the 4 screws securing the board to the control panel and remove the old board. Install the new control board by aligning it on the control panel, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the new board. Connect the ribbon connector as well. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by first connecting the wire connector to the board. Align the panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.